Dear boys, now I am going to discuss rolling motion. Rolling motion. What is the rolling motion? Listen carefully, Nana. Best example is wheels of the vehicle. Rolling motion. The best example is wheels of the vehicle. Okay? The best example wheel of the vehicle. For example, this is the car wheel. Engine start. What happens? The car moving. Okay. In the situation, first wheel, what happens? Rotate. Next wheel, what happens? Translate. Simply, car moving. First wheel, what happens? Wheel, what happens? Rotate. Simply, first rotate. Rotate. Rotatory motion. Next, it moving straightward. Simply, this is translatory motion. Okay? Look here, all of you. What is the rolling motion? Rolling motion is nothing but the combination of rotatory motion as well as the translatory motion. What is the translatory? Body moving a straight line. Car straight ga niltadi kada. Idu chudandi. Nana wheels of the vehicle as well as the rotatory as well as the translatory. Simply rolling motion is a combination of look here. For example, rolling motion is a combination of rotatory as well as the translatory motion. In this chapter, we discuss pure rolling. Once again, I repeat, pure rolling. Look here, all of you. What is the rolling motion? It is a combination of rotatory motion as well as the translatory motion. In the situation, here for example, tangent gives the direction of velocity. Okay? Here, tangent gives the direction of velocity. Okay, Nana? Here, Nana, only one direction. This is the V. In the situation, once again I repeat, I discuss pure rolling. In the situation, velocity in rotatory motion, velocity in translatory motion, both are same. Once again I repeat, what is the pure rolling? Velocity in rotatory motion is equal to velocity in translatory motion. Okay? V R equal to Vt. Okay? This is in the syllabus, Nana, in our syllabus. Today I discuss pure rolling only. But impure rolling also there, Nana. Impure rolling means these are two types. Impure rolling. Look here, all of you. Impure rolling have two types. Look here, all of you. Pure rolling completed. Next, I discuss impure rolling. In the impure rolling, the best example, Nana, here, Nana, here. Vehicle fastly moving in the rain ఒక గేదె అడ్డం వచ్చింది, లేకపోతే ఒక బాబు అడ్డం వచ్చాడు, లేకపోతే ఒక వెహికల్ అడ్డం వచ్చింది. ఆ కార్ డ్రైవర్ ఏం అప్లై చేయాలి? అప్లై ద బ్రేక్స్. బ్రేక్స్ అప్లై ఇన్ ద రైనీ సీజన్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్, కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. మననా పెద్ద రైన్ పడుతుంది, బిగ్ రైన్ ఫాల్, ఏ కార్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ ఫాస్ట్. కార్ డ్రైవర్ apply some brakes. What happens the car nana? Skid means nana here translatory motion greater than rotatory motion. మీరు వెహికల్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి మైండ్లో. వెహికల్ రైన్ ఫుల్ పడుతుంది, బ్రేక్ అప్లై చేసావు. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ద వెహికల్? Skid means here translatory motion is more compared to rotatory motion. Another example is here a vehicle struck in the mud. Struck in the mud. సింప్లీ ఒక బురదలో వెహికల్ ఇరుక్కుపోతే లారీ డ్రైవర్ ఏం అప్లై చేస్తాడు? ఎక్సలేటర్ ఇవ్వగానే జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏ మోషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది? రొటేటరీ మోషన్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ట్రాన్స్లేటరీ మోషన్. ప్యూర్ రోలింగ్, ట్రాన్స్లేటరీ వెలాసిటీ ఈక్వల్ టు రొటేటరీ వెలాసిటీ. బట్ impure rolling is two types. A vehicle skid in this situation, translatory velocity greater than rotatory velocity. A vehicle, look here nana. A vehicle struck in the mud, here rotatory velocity greater than translatory only. Pure rolling means translatory velocity equal to rotatory velocity. For example, rolling motion, the best example is wheel of the vehicle. Actually, this is the wheel. This is the same wheel, but explanation purpose I assume one wheel consider as a two wheels. No, ఒకటే వీల్. ఇక్కడ ఏ మోషన్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం? రొటేటరీ మోషన్. హియర్ వాట్ మోషన్ డిస్కస్? ట్రాన్స్లేటరీ మోషన్. అందుకే నచ్చింది. ఓకే, దిస్ మోషన్ ఈజ్ రొటేటరీ మోషన్, దిస్ మోషన్ ఈజ్ translatory motion. In this chapter, once again I repeat, this is what type of motion? Rotatory, one wheel. But I explain easily that one wheel considered as a two wheels, one wheel acts as a rotatory motion, other wheel acts as a translatory motion. Translatory motion means straight motion at the top, at center, at bottom. 3 points I take. In rotatory motion, tangent drawn, it gives the direction of velocity. Here the wheel is rotate, here tangent drawn, it gives the direction of velocity. Here it gives tangent gives the direction of velocity. Okay nana? Here in the situation, topmost point of the wheel, at top, look here nana. At top, V. Simply both are in the same direction. At top, net velocity in the rolling motion. Net velocity in the rolling motion. V. What is the total? 2V. Okay. Next none. Center of the wheel. Look here none. Here center of the wheel is here V. And the situation here V. Both are what happens? Perpendicular. We apply parallelogram law. What is the parallelogram law formula? Resultant formula is under root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Here angle between two vectors is 90 degrees, cos 90 0, 0 into anything 0. What is the net velocity? Net velocity is under root. One vector is p, other vector is q. Simply v square plus v square 2v square. Finally we get root 2 into v. Okay, this is the center now. Next nana, at the bottom I discuss nana. Look here all of you. At the bottom, what is the v net? Here positive x, here negative x. What is the net velocity at the bottom? 0. What is the net velocity at the bottom? 0. Simply once again I repeat nana. Here in the rolling motion, topmost point, what is the net velocity? 2v. At the center, what is the net velocity? Root 2v, root 2v, root 2v. Okay. Next nana, at the bottom, what is the net velocity? At the bottom, what is the net velocity? 0. Next nana, look here all of you. For example, at top 2v, center root 2v, at the bottom 0 net velocity in the rolling motion. For example, in this point I discuss. This is the vertical, highest vertical. Here radius vector. in this point determine the net velocity of the rolling body. That is the question. This line makes an angle theta with highest vertical. Okay nana, look here now. in this point, tangent drawn, it gives the direction of rotating velocity. This is the translating velocity. Two untai nana. One is rotatory, another one is translatory. In the situation, here line is joined. Look here. This is parallel. This angle theta. This angle also theta. According to mathematics, interior angle equal to exterior angle. This is the radius vector. This is the tangent. In the mathematics, radius vector, tangent must be perpendicular. ఇదిగో ఏదో గాలిలో చెప్తున్నాడు సార్ అనుకునేది. ఇది రేడియస్ వెక్టర్, టాంజెంట్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? పర్పెండిక్యులర్. మరి ఇది 30, ఇదేమవుతుంది 60, 60 30, 45 45, 50 40. Simply this is 90 minus theta. Look here, this is y axis, this is x axis, Akash. Both are perpendicular. This is 90 minus theta. Automatically this is theta. Both angles are add. Endra ikkadi nunchi 90 minus theta plus theta, theta cancel. Finally we get 90. In the situation, look here. This is one vector. This is another vector. Angle between two vectors is theta. Resultant determined by using parallelogram. What is the parallelogram? Under root p square, q q square 2vq cos theta. In the situation under root p is replaced by v, q is replaced by v, plus p is replaced by v, q is replaced by v cos theta. In the situation under root v square plus v square 2v square plus v into v square 2v square cos theta. Right side here under root 2v square common into 1 plus cos theta. Look here. What is the 1 plus cos theta value? 1 plus cos theta value. 1 plus cos theta value is 2 cos square theta by 2. In the mathematics, 1 plus cos theta write as 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 comes out 2. V square comes out V. Cos square comes out cos. This is the net velocity formula at a point P. This point P makes an angle theta with the highest vertical. What is the net velocity at a point P? This point P makes an angle theta with highest vertical 2v cos theta by 2. నానా ఈ తొక్కలో గోలంతా నాకు అవసరం లేదురా ఆకాశు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెట్ వెలాసిటీ ఇన్ దిస్ పాయింట్? 2v cos theta by 2. Please write. What is the net velocity at a point P? Here 2v cos theta by 2. In this situation, once again I repeat Nana, in this point, what is the net velocity? 2v cos theta by 2. In this situation, once again I repeat, in this situation, here point P is shifted here. What happens to the theta value? 90. Here substitute 90 by 2, 45. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Finally we get root 2v. The mundu kuda nenu chesindi ade. Point B at center, net velocity is root 2v. For example, this point P shifted here. What happens to the theta? No angle, 0. Here 0 substitute, 0 by anything 0, cos 0 1, finally we get 2v. This point shifted here, net velocity is 2v. Suppose this point shifted here, what happens to the total angle? 180. Here substitute 180 by 2, 90. Cos 90, 0. 0 into anything, 0. Simply at top 2v, center root 2v, bottom 0. This is the rolling body applicable. These formulas are applicable for rolling body. For example, directly is done. This point P is here. This is lowest vertical. This point P makes an angle theta with lowest vertical. In this situation, net velocity formula is 2v sin theta by 2. Write down clearly. It is a, look here all of you, kinetic energy of rolling body. Rolling body means it is a combination of translatory motion plus it is a combination of rotatory motion. Okay, in that situation, kinetic energy general formula in mechanics of mv square. In rotatory motion, we know that of mass analogous I, v analogous omega. This is the formula for kinetic energy of the rolling body. Okay, equation number 1. Generally, equation 1 I write in this manner: of mv square plus of, here I write as mk square. I write as mk square because moment of inertia of a body formula is mk square. V की ओमेगा की रिलेशन V equal to R omega. Okay, what is the formula for omega? V by R, V square by R square. Akash, look here. In the right side, which will be common? Half common, m common, V square common. Here 1 plus of mv square common, k square by r square. This is the another formula for kinetic energy of rolling body. Equation number 2. Do you understand? Look here now. Kinetic energy, equation 1 again I take. Look here, all of you. Kinetic energy is of, here m, generally I formula is mk square. Here what is the m value? I by k square. M value I by k square. V write as R omega, V square, R square omega square, plus right side second is second, half I omega square. In the right side common term is half I common, omega square common. Here which is left? Only 1. Here which is left? R square by k square. This is the equation 3, very important formula. Kinetic energy of rolling body, what is the first formula? Half mv square plus half I omega square. What is the second formula? Half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square. 1 plus k square by r square. What is the third formula? Half I omega square into 1 plus r square by k square. Okay, very important notice, Nana. These are, look here. Next. Look here, all of you now. All of you look here. Okay, all of you look here now. In the situation, look here, all of you. Here the question is kinetic energy translatory motion by total kinetic energy in the rolling motion. Look here. Total kinetic energy in the rolling motion. What is the equation number 2? Half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square. Equation 2 here. total kinetic energy in the rolling motion. This is the translation kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy formula? Just translatory motion of mv square. This one cancel. What is the formula? Very important. 1 plus k square by r square. In the situation, again I explain, translatory kinetic energy by total kinetic energy. In this topic, this is called fraction of translatory kinetic energy in total kinetic energy. Again I read, fraction of translatory kinetic energy to total kinetic energy. Percentage ante em cheyali? Both side multiplied by 100. Next question is kinetic energy rotatory motion by total kinetic energy in the rolling motion. Kinetic energy rotatory motion of I omega square. What is the total kinetic energy in rolling motion? Equation 3, we know that of I omega square into 1 plus r square by k square. Of I omega square cancel. Finally write as 1 by 1 plus r square by k square. Look here also. Okay, Nana? That is the formula for rotational kinetic energy by total kinetic energy. 1 by 1 plus r square by k square.